Measurement atomic scale switching pathways. The broken central symmetry in ferroelectric materials gives rise to microscopic electric dipoles and macroscopic switchable spontaneous polarization, offering enticing opportunities for next-generation non-volatile memories and logic transistors. To directly visualize the switching processes in selenide, we use STEM imaging to observe the atomic scale structural evolution under in situ biasing conditions. Let's try to measure dipoles in this experiment. One of the problems for conventional measurement OEM system is a dipole direction alteration. UniHub system allows to create multi-pattern recognition recipe. Here, using classical approach for pillar measurement, UniHub measure dipoles batch by batch for each consecutive pattern recognition. Smaller pole measured as incomplete pillar. Thank you for attention.